Well, now, I didn't think you'd show, sheepy.
Yeah. Listen, Foy, holy shit. You all done?
I'm good.
Listen, Foy. She's all yours. Louise, I really do care about you. But, I don't know, somewhere along the line, I guess I just forgot that a relationship is a two-way street. And I've been reminded recently of what it's like to have somebody care about me. And I like it. So, if you want to spend the rest of your life with a pussy full of hair, I say go with God and best of luck to you. I just realized that last joke might not have been clear. I didn't mean that she has a hairy pussy. I meant that Foy has a mustache, so, he gets hair in her when he goes down there. Yeah. I got